Alright, this is a demonstration video of our electric retract controller and gear door sequencer. This circuit is available now in 3 versions. One is made specifically for air pneumatic systems that have an air valve instead of an electric retract controller. The second one is designed for retracts that use a normal proportional servo. And then this one is designed for the electric brushed motor retracts like this one, made by E-flite. This will also work with the FMS line of controllers. These retracts are the ones that are being found in a lot of ARFs that are being sold today. And because of the nature of this circuit and specifically of the controller that is inside this retract, the signal has to be handled a little differently. That's the reason that we have the 3 versions. Our previous version wasn't compatible with these, but we've got the programming worked out now so that it's working beautifully. This servo is going to represent your gear door servo, and of course the board here, the little blue pot, is what you use to adjust the delay between when the gear doors open and close. And the 2 switches there, option switches, allow you to reverse the action of the gear door servo so that if your model needs it to operate in the opposite way, you can do that without having to reverse the channel in the receiver, because the whole idea behind this is that you have gear door servo and retract controller all controlled by one board that plugs into one channel. So the occasion may arise that you need to reverse that gear door servo, and you can do that from the board here. And the second switch allows you to determine whether or not the gear doors close back after the retracts have come to the down position. Some warbirds, the gear doors stay open, and some they close back again, and this allows you to choose. Now, I want to tell you about one other change that has been made in this circuit, and that is the behavior of the circuit when it is first powered. Previously, it would either go to the up or the down position depending on the position of the gear switch on the transmitter, but that was causing a few issues because a lot of times it's easy to turn the receiver on, turn the plane on, and forget to check the position of the switch on the transmitter. And a lot of times we found that customers were having the gear go up or go down unexpectedly because they had forgotten to check the position of the switch. So what we've got it, the way we've got it programmed now is that when the circuit is first powered, when you first turn the plane on, it will not move either the gear door servo or the retract mechanism. Basically, all it does is note the position of the gear switch on first power up, and it waits until that switch is toggled the first time. Doesn't matter what position it's in when the plane is powered. When the switch is toggled for the first time, then the unit moves the retracts to either the up or down position and moves the gear doors as appropriate. So that's a new feature that we've added that I think is going to be real popular. I have all this connected to my servo tester, and I'm using this just to provide the signal to the control board so I don't have to have a transmitter and a receiver out here. So let me show you how it works. When the plane is first powered up, nothing happens, and then when the gear switch is toggled for the first time, the gear doors open and the retracts come up or down, and the gear doors close back again. When you give the command in the other direction, the gear doors open, the retracts come down, and then the gear doors close back again. I'll let you see that sequence one more time. I hesitated in moving the servo test there. Let me show you another feature that we have, and that is the quick up or quick down. If you change your mind mid-flight, let's say you've taken off and you're coming off the end of the runway now, and you give it the gear up command, and you say, uh-oh, something's wrong, I need to get those gear back again, you'll notice that the gear doors move appropriately, so you can reverse the action without affecting the way the programming works. So, and the same is true in the other direction. If you, let's say you're flying around, you decide to land, and you give it the gear down command, and the gear starts down, and you think, oh wait, there's somebody on the runway, let's pull those gear back up and go around, you'll notice that the Retract controller behaves correctly. So that's the gear door sequencer, the Retract controller and gear door sequencer, specifically designed for the FMS and the E-flite line of brushed motor retracts. Thanks for watching.